Hello! This sidewalk paint is very popular with our students of any age actually. It's biodegradable and also very easy to wash off. Of course, you need to check how much food coloring you are adding to the sidewalk paint. If you add a lot, it might stain your sidewalk for a little bit, but the Miami sun will be in charge of bleaching it out completely. We are here with Miss Ale from the Art Shack, and we are going to prepare today sidewalk paint. So this paint is very easy to make. You are going to need cornstarch, spoons, 1 per color, cups, we have 4, but you can use more than 4, a cup holder, a jug, food coloring. We have pints, but you don't need to have pints. You can buy the small containers. A bucket or a bowl to mix your first paint, and obviously brushes for everybody to have fun with. We like to use the wide brushes from the paint shop. If they're old, better, so you're not going to be very concerned about that. Okay, there we go. Step 1. We are going to get a cup full of cornstarch. You can do what Miss Ale is doing, or you can use the spoon to load your cup. Exactly. And we will pour, that cup full in the bucket or whatever other bowl you have for mixing. Now, very slowly, we will add the water and stir until we get a consistency of milk. How are we doing? Show me, Miss Ale.
Ready.
Okay, in there. So next we're going to split the cornstarch water mix between our cups, a little bit in each one. This bucket has the benefit of being able to fold it a little bit. Maybe we use the other side, or Miss Ale can use that side. That's good. There you see the consistency clearly. The thicker the paint, the harder it will be to apply. But if it's too light, it runs and it takes a little bit to paint. It makes it a little hard to paint. So the colors that we have here are yellow, blue, and red. Those are our primary colors, so we are able to mix any color with those. So let's make our basic yellow first. We will add a little bit, a few drops. There's always time to add more, but it could be that you add too much. There you go. They are very bright. Very good. Okay, next up, we're going to add some blue. Little bit. Very little bit. If you have the regular ones that you find in the supermarket, in the grocery store, they're going to be droppers, so it's going to be much easier to do the dosage of color. So right now we have yellow and blue. Obviously, if we mix yellow and blue, we will get green. So if your child wants green, you will mix a bit of both yellow and blue. We're going to get some red now. Ooh, looks very pretty. Okay, and last but not least, we're going to make our own color. We could stay with the white, or we could make an absolutely new color. Which do you think we should make, Miss Ale?
Purple.
Purple, okay. So how do we make purple, Miss Ale?
Red and blue.
Red and blue, that is true. We start with a little bit of red. If you put too much, it's going to go too far, and that is not too much paint. We might add a little bit more water to that one in particular. A tiny bit. If you have a dropper, you can also use a dropper if you're buying pints. I buy my pints on Amazon, and they're much cheaper. If you have kids that really love this, I recommend it. I will make sure to add a link on the bottom of this video so that you can see where I buy my pints of food coloring. That looks a little dark. How's it looking, Miss Ale? It is dark, yes. So when it goes too dark, we need to prepare some more white mix. So Miss Ale has mixed some extra cornstarch with water. We're going to add it to the purple to see if we can make it a little lighter. And of course, if we have some left over, we will have a beautiful white color as well that we can use. Okay, so the trick here with the cup holder is that your cups are not going to tip over. So that's why we use cup holders. I do not advise your children to carry the cups in their hands. We're going to put the spoons back in the bucket or the bowl. We don't need them to go outside. And we are going to transfer everything outside with the brushes. Here we are outside, and we are going to demo how we do the painting. Kids, of course, can paint any way they like, but we know that they love the driveway, and actually if it's sunny, the paint dries faster, and you'll see how bright the colors are. It is not as frustrating as chalk. As you know, chalk is really frustrating. It's like that thin line